Good morning. Today is going to be a little bit of a different video. Early upload, if you have noticed. Um, really, really early upload. Because I wanted to talk about something really important today. If you want to get some success on Amazon FBA, and I make those videos from time to time because I believe that they're interesting. They're really interesting, and they're way more important than the regular sourcing videos. And you guys have noticed that I do less and less sourcing videos because you must realize that it's not just, this business is not just about sourcing and about finding great products. I mean, yes, at its core, this is what the business is, but it's not just about that. And the mental part of it, however, like whatever is in your head, has a lot to do with it. And it's true with everything. It's true if you're young, it's true with school, it's true with sports, if you're playing sports. Like, it's not about skills. It's not about skills, it's about what you have in your head, about how tough you are mentally. Because I'm going to tell you, it's not going to be easy. It's not going to be easy at all. And you just need to know, like, you need to know for sure that every single seller that you see on YouTube or on Twitter or whatever that do have great revenue, great numbers with their Amazon business went through a lot of shit. And there's one common thread in between all of them. Okay? And once again, it's going to be true with everything, is that they chose to never give up. And like I'm telling you, this is the only thing that is going to make you successful if you do Amazon. Okay? And it's going to be true with everything. Just like it's the same thing with YouTube, with what you see me doing on YouTube with the daily videos, right? It's the exact same thing with Amazon, all right? You just need to keep going every single day, every single month. It's not about not being able to take a day off. This is not what I'm talking about. But what I'm trying to say is that it's really a marathon. Okay, it's not a sprint. It's a marathon, and you need to keep going month after month after month after month after month if you want to get some success. And the truth is that it's easy. It's easy when everything goes right. Okay, when everything goes right, you have a great month, not a lot of returns. You have a ton of winning. You found a few new winning products, no issue with account health, no issue with anything, and it's easy to do it when things are going like this. But what I'm trying to tell you is that you're going to face some issues, okay, that are going to make you want to give up. And I've seen a lot of people giving up while they had actually great revenues on Amazon. They had great numbers for beginners, for that stuff. But you need to understand the only thing that is going to make you successful is pushing every single day, working on it every single day over a long period of time. And when I'm talking about a long period of time, you're going to be disappointed, okay? Because it's not 6 months, it's not 1 year, okay? It's working on it every day, every month, consistently for 4 to 5 years. And this is what you need to put in your head. This is the only thing that you need to put in your head. Because no, okay, you're not going to be like super successful after 6 months. It's about showing up every single day. That's the only thing. And I should have put it like this when I started the video. It's about showing up every day. That's it. Nothing else. Okay? You just need to show up every day. And it's not going to be easy. Okay? Some days it's going to suck. Okay? You're going to have IP complaints to deal with. You're going to have inauthentic complaints to deal with. You're going to have your account suspended one day or another. I'm telling you. You are going to get your account suspended, and it's the worst feeling in the world. And I've been there for a couple of months. I had in the past my account suspended for a couple of months, and I'm telling you, it was literally top three of the worst time period of my life. It was top three of the worst 6 months of my life. And like, if I'm being honest, there was a lot of bad things right before that happened that kept happening every single month. And I will not go into details because this is not what I want to talk about in today's video. This is not what I want to talk about. Like, it was bad thing upon bad things upon bad things happening in my life every single day, up to the point where I got my account, my Amazon account suspended. And I'm telling you, I'm really telling you, and I'm being 100% honest with you. If I've ever been depressed at one point in my life, it was for that time period. Okay, it was one of the worst time of my life, and you're gonna go through that 100%, and you need to go through that, and you need to be ready, because it's character development. You need to go through this. You will go through this. And once you're done going through it, you will be way stronger. And the only thing is that it does not matter what happens, you need to show up every single day, because those things are going to happen, okay? It's not going to be record months, month after month after month after month. This is not what's going to happen. One day you're going to have a great month, everything goes right, okay? And sometimes everything goes wrong, and it happens, okay? Everything goes wrong for a time period, but you will notice at the end of the day, you'll notice that whatever you believe in, whether it is the universe, whether it is God, whatever you call it, you'll notice that things are, what's the exact word? At the end, things will always work out, okay? Life is fixed, if I can put it like this, fixed in your favor, okay? As long as you show up every day. That's the only thing. You just need to show up every single day. Just look, and as a statement for this, I've been doing YouTube for 1 month, YouTube every single day, not just YouTube. I've been doing YouTube every single day for 1 year, and we are in September, so for 1 year and 9 months. Since January 1st, 2023, I've been posting daily videos about selling on Amazon, about business, about entrepreneurship. And my channel is growing, not super fast, but I'm building a great community, making a great income from that side hustle, meeting great people, being able to network, and like the return on investment is not necessarily direct, while yes, there's some direct return on investment because I can promote my products, all that stuff. But the greatest return on investment is everything that's indirect, okay? So the people that I meet, helping me on my journey, that I helped, all that stuff, you know, it makes a lot of things easier. And the reason why I'm talking to you guys about that is because just look at content creator, okay, that made YouTube videos on Amazon, all that stuff. Who, like, you're gonna see that there was a lot of people that were around when I started, okay? Some of them that started at the same time as me and that grew way faster than me, that gave up on it already, that gave up on that thing. You'll see there's a lot of faces from when I started myself that were not even making weekly videos, okay? That were making like, not daily, not weekly, sometimes just monthly and taking big breaks, you know? You'll notice that a lot of these guys are not around anymore, okay? And because if we actually look at it, if someone has a ton of reason to give up on this thing, it's me. Because my channel is not growing as fast as them, because I'm not optimizing this way. I'm working with daily videos. It's a different format. And of course, like, I'm not working on viral videos, all that stuff. I'm really working with super specific details about this business, not just the big buzzwords video. I'm not working with that. I'm working with super niche subject, a ton of super niche subject, so I can attract people that are really willing to actually make these things work, right? And so, yes, it's hard. It's way harder than I could make viral videos easily work on it, make some crazy editing, and work on viral videos on business, not even Amazon, just business in general. Easy, and become a YouTube guru, like a real business guru, like all that bullshit e-commerce guru. I could do it, okay? But same thing, you need to shop every day. And even people that were doing this when I started gave up on that thing. So it's just to show you how committed you need to be if you want to be successful at something. And we will see in 10 years, if God's willing, I'm still here. We're going to see in 10 years where this consistency was able to bring me, and we'll be able to compare. Okay? You will see, and I hope this video will be a testament of this. You just need to show up every single day. That's it. That's it. And I guarantee that good things are going to happen. I guarantee, whether it is with your Amazon business, whether it is with school, whether it is, I don't know, if you're playing basketball, if you're playing the violin, all that stuff. You just need to show up every single day. And people are not going to see that you show up every single day. Because, like, you know, yes, of course, if we are talking about YouTube, people can see the videos. But there's way more things that I'm doing behind the scene for this thing. You know, it's not just the video. So there's a lot of work. This is just the top of the iceberg. This is literally just the top of the iceberg. There's a ton of things that you cannot see that I'm working on consistently every single day. That's the only thing. That's the only thing. There's nothing else. And as I said, just look at the people that were there before I started, or even that started at the same time as me, that are not around anymore. It's just about consistency and showing up, and good things are going to happen. Whether it takes 1 year, 2 years, of course, if it's like, not do something dumb and do not be consistent at something dumb. This is not the point. It's not what I'm trying to say. Be consistent at something meaningful. And of course, you're going to suck at the beginning. But if you commit, good things are going to happen, I guarantee. All right? So, that's it for today's video. Hopefully it has been helpful. You know, just be consistent. You're going to go through shit, and because it's easy to be consistent when things are doing great. Be ready to be consistent when things are not going great. And if you need to take a little break, because I'm going to be honest. Okay? Whenever all these things happened to me, I had to take a small break. Okay? From not really a break, but like, because I kept trying, but I cannot really explain everything. I kept trying. And I actually, I did not really, I never took a break, actually. I never really took a break. But yeah, we'll talk about that and about all the situations. Maybe in a couple of years, when I'll be ready. All the situations surrounding my account being suspended when it was suspended 2 years ago, I think. All right, so hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like to all that YouTube stuff, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.